Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here is part one of a physical iPhone 7. This is a T-Mobile device in which we have not uploaded videos for a good minute because of a lot of stuff that's been going on, personal and pandemic-wise. But we are returning all responses back ASAP, in which typing too fast. So you can see this is the Imei here. This is for a physical Imei repair. Physical, meaning I'm just going to go ahead and copy that just in case if websites have like errors. This is show you that that's the same Imei on the phone right there. This is part one. As you can see, the device is blocked. Tune in, subscribe. Thank you for watching.